Sri Sri Alakpuri Ji Mahadeva ki jai. Devadidev Deveshwar Mahadeva ki jai. Aradhya Bhagwan Sri Deep Narayan Mahaprabhu Ji ki jai. Hindu Dharan Samrat Swami Madhavanand Ji Bhagwan ki jai. Vishwaguru Mahamandaleshwar Swami Gyaneshwar ki jai. Today we are celebrating 133rd birth anniversary of a great Indian mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. India is the land of knowledge. India is the land of great saints. And knowledge is not only spiritual, but also normal science, and in this case, mathematics. From the lineage of Aryabhat, Brahmagupta, Mahavir, Bhaskar, and many other mathematicians, on 22nd December 1887, a great mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan, was born. He was born in Tamil, now known as Tamil Nadu. And from the childhood, he was very capable of quick study, of learning. So at the age of 10, he successfully finished English, Tamil, geography and arithmetics, and was the first in his own district. After that, he joined the secondary school and higher secondary school, which he finished without any problems in half of the time. But then in 1903, he got Carr's book on theorems with more than 5,000 different mathematical theorems, and where his whole life changed, and he moved from any other subjects only to maths. So from after the graduation from the high secondary school, he didn't pass any other higher degree because he didn't want to study anything else but mathematics. He got married in 1909, and through struggling, he was struggling until 1910, where he met the founder of Madras University's mathematical cell, and when a mathematical society, and which he became part as a researcher. The collector, or district collector, also helped him financially, and Ramanujan started to produce many wonderful theorems, many various mathematical books. In 1913, he managed to start a correspondence with G.H. Hardy from England, and then finally in 1914 he went to England, where he stayed till 1919, and he became the Fellow of Royal Society and Fellow of Trinity College of Cambridge. These are two very high prestigious positions in England at that time. His mathematics consists of infinite series of P, many number theories, many groundbreaking theorems, many groundbreaking things what he found were named after him. Like Ramanuja conjecture, Ramanuja Sato series, Hardy Ramanujan number 1729, and Ramanujan prime, Ramanuja thetan, and many other, because in his life he created around 3,900 various results, identities, equations, and everything else. And this can be found in his 4 notebooks and in more than 20 research papers which he printed and published in England. Unfortunately, the health was not good, and he had to return to India, and he died on 20 April 1920 at the age of 32. After his work was so advanced that even people nowadays are studying it, doing research on his theorems, on his formulas, and so on. And in 2011, this day, 22nd December, in India was put as a national mathematical day. And in 2012, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh put it as a national mathematic year. His life is a continuance of the great advance of the Indian civilization, and many of other scientists who were born in India and who got their theories and got their knowledge published all over the world, which is also happening now. And in this Vishwaguru Ashram Research Center, we are trying to follow this tradition and to incorporate the Vedic knowledge with today's mathematical and physical knowledge, to see what are the usages and what are the benefits of all what we have. I hope that in the future we could also publish some papers in that regards, and I wish that all of you who are interested in any kind of fields, mathematics and so on, to contact us. With these words, I would finish this short lecture. Sri Deep Narayan Bhagwan ki jai.